If you're new to my channel or just coming across my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be among my first viewer. And for my little subscribers, massive thanks for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, I'm wishing you all happy new year. So I'm dedicating this video to my subscribers and viewers. I want to say thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I want to thank each and every one of you for your massive support, for being permanent with this channel, and also coming back to watch my video. So guys, I really appreciate you guys. I just want to give thanks to you all for being there for me. For those of you who want to know when this channel started, fine. This channel is just 5 months. It's just a new channel and it's growing anyway. So this channel, I started this channel, that was July. I 5 months ago, and hopefully the channel is really growing and is doing greatly. Anyway, this channel is coming up, as you all can see. This is Echo's World. I have 2 channels which I'm running. I have Echo's World. You can all see it. I have Echo's World. I have Echo's World and also Echo's Farm. Echo's World is all about myself. Anyway, if you want to see any of my video, the things I do is you see Echo's World there. Then here in Echo's Farm is all about my family. If you want to know much about my family, you want to see things a lot about my family. But most times I also upload few videos about my family in Echo's World. But mostly in Echo's Farm, that is where you can see a lot of things, a lot of video about my family. That is where you get to know more things about I and my family. But in Echo's World, it's just I update little about my family in Echo's World. So that is just it. And for those of you who want to join this growing channel, I still say thank you. I appreciate you in advance. I want to say thank you so much for being part of this growing channel. So guys, this video is all about my first giveaway, which will be coming up on the 14th of February 2022. So my first giveaway will be coming up, and I'll be giving this giveaway based on 500 subscribers. The channel is a growing channel and we have a target of which is 500 subscribers from now till February 14th 2022. So if we get up to 500 subscribers and 500 likes from now till February 14th, which is Valentine's Day, I will be doing a giveaway to 10 people. So if you have not been following me up in my Instagram, because the selection is going to be in my Instagram, I will be doing my selection for my Instagram. So make sure that if you are subscribing to my channel in YouTube, and also write me in my Instagram so that I will know the people that are following me, because that is where I will make my selection. So if you're following me in my Instagram, if you do that, so just write to me. So, and that is where I can, because I can communicate with you direct in my Instagram. That is where I will do my selection, because I can't, it will be a little bit difficult to do that in my YouTube. Not that I know, anyway, I know those who are consistent in my YouTube channel, and to be part of this gift coming, you just need to be consistent, and that is it. And don't also forget to write your New Year resolution. Try to list out things that you want to achieve this year. For me, I have already done that. Yes, I have listed things that I want to achieve this 2022, and I'll be working towards it. Yes, even if you don't even if you're not seeing this thing coming true, but He said, if our faith is like a mustard seed that will move mountain, everything works with faith. If your faith can carry anything like that, I can tell you, I can beat it. Anything can come true. Anything will come forth. If only you have that faith, no matter how small your faith is, it will move mountain. Yes, that is what I will also tell you. So try to make your New Year resolution. Try to write out things that you feel that you want for this new year, things that you are seeking for to come for this new year. So when you do that, I know that God is going to grant you each and every one of your, and when you do it, and don't forget to sow a seed, not just writing your New Year resolution. When you write this, attach it with a seed. Yes, try to sow your first seed. Try to attach this your petition. Try to attach your petition with seed. Yes, when you sow it with a seed, then watch out and see what God will do for you, and make sure that you follow each and every of your write-up, everything that you have written. Try and follow it up, and not only that, you constant prayer. You also need to back it up that this thing I've written, I must achieve it this year. So you keep praying, and also remember to sow a seed. Yes, because sowing a seed will help to activate this effectively. It will help to activate this so fast that you will never believe how things gonna work for you. Yes, those are the few things I will be discussing with you. That is it. So I just want to say thank you all for always being there, for always coming back to watch my video, and wishing you people Happy New Year! So guys, I'm wishing you Happy New Year, and I pray that this year will be a fruitful year, a year of blessing, a year of happiness, a year of joy, a year of testimony for us men that are looking for a year of open doors this year. So don't forget to subscribe.